In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the conversation history in Perplexity AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your past chats, how to reopen them, and how to use the built-in library to browse both full threads and any files you've worked with. This is especially helpful if you're researching over time, revisiting an answer, or picking up a project where you left off. First, open Perplexity in your browser by heading to the main website. You can do this on desktop or mobile, and the experience is very similar. If you use the app, the layout may shift slightly, but the labels are the same. Make sure you're signed into the account where you had your previous conversations so your history appears correctly. Once you're on the home page, look for the history option in the interface. It typically sits in the main navigation or sidebar. Click History to reveal a chronological list of your recent conversations. You'll see your titles or opening prompts, timestamps, and quick previews that help you recognize the right thread. From here, click any entry to reopen it. This loads the full exchange so you can review sources, copy answers, or continue the conversation. If you have a lot of past chats, use the built-in search to narrow things down by keywords from your prompts or responses. For a more organized view, open the library and choose Threads. Threads is where your longer or saved conversations live in a tidy list, separate from the quick scrolling history view. Here you can scan titles, sort by recency, and jump back into deeper discussions without hunting through everything else. Open a thread to see the entire context, including follow-up questions and answers, so you can continue seamlessly. This is ideal when you're working on multi-step research or maintaining a running project. Next, switch to the Files tab within the library. This area collects the files you've uploaded or referenced in chats, making it easy to find conversations connected to specific documents. If you remember working with a PDF, image, or other attachment, open Files to locate it quickly. From there, you can open the related thread and resume your work with full context. This is a great way to retrace your steps when your memory of the prompt is fuzzy but the document stands out. That's it. Open Perplexity, check history for quick access, use threads in the library for structured conversations, and use files to jump back to document-based work. With these views, you'll always know where to find what you've done and how to keep moving forward.